This is a defibrillator. It can save someone's life, but only if you use it. A defibrillator is an easy-to-use device. You don't need any training to use it because it will tell you exactly what to do.
Shock advised.
Its job is to shock someone's heart back into a normal rhythm during cardiac arrest. However, it will only instruct you to deliver a shock if this is needed. If you find someone unconscious, unresponsive and not breathing, or not breathing normally, they're in cardiac arrest. It's important to act immediately because their heart is no longer pumping blood to their brain and around the body. The first thing to do is call 999 and start CPR. The emergency operator will talk you through what to do and tell you where the nearest defibrillator can be found. If there's someone else around, ask them to go and get it. Defibrillators are normally located in workplaces and public spaces like airports, shopping centres, community centres and train stations. Automated external defibrillator, and anyone can use them in an emergency. The defibrillator will assess their heart rhythm and will only tell you to shock them if they need it.
Shock advised.
So you can't do any harm by using one. If a shock is needed, this will try and reset the electrical system in their heart to get it beating normally again. When used with CPR, defibrillators give the best chance of survival. So, when you witness someone in cardiac arrest, take action. Start CPR and find a defibrillator as soon as possible. For more information on defibrillators, visit
RX Medical Academy app.